Want to learn how you can become a creator on your OnlyFans? Then this quick and simple video is the right one for you. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel Quick Guide, and today I'm here with a new video to show you guys on how you can become a creditor too on your OnlyFans. It's really easy, just follow some simple steps with me. First of all, go onto a Google browser and search for OnlyFans. And now after it loads up, just log into your account. And here you can see an option for my profile. Here in this profile you can see all the posts and all the media that you have uploaded here. But in case you haven't uploaded and now you want to start, you just click on new post, which is on the bottom left side of your screen. After that, you are able to compose a new post where type in your caption, you can select your photos. Not only that, you can add polls and also add quizzes to make your post more interesting and more engaging for people as well, such that you can get more traffic on your profile or post on your OnlyFans. And that's how you can become, or you can start becoming, a creator on your OnlyFans. This was for this video. I hope you guys find our video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell notification. And don't forget to drop a comment for review. And for more content like this, see you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.